Welcome to the CARE 10 Data Analysis Program. In CARE, you are able to view and filter statistical data gathered from citations and crash reports. In this tutorial, you will learn to build and combine filters from frequencies. From your desktop, let's double-click the CARE 10 icon and launch the program. Once the application is open, let's go to the toolbar and select Analysis. And from here, we'll select Frequency. This opens the Frequency Parameters window. From here, we will select the variables we want to use. For this lesson, we're going to use highway classifications and controlled access. To select more than one variable, hold down your Control key as you make your selections. Click OK to confirm your selection and to open the Analysis Frequency environment. In this window, you'll notice that there is a table chart and a column graph. You'll also notice that there is a box with the variables that you have chosen. By default, highway classifications is what is being displayed now. Let's create a filter based on the interstate data. To start, we will need to select this subvariable. Next, right-click on the selected subvariable and choose the option to create new filter from selected values. Now let's give this filter a name and create it. You'll notice that our filter is now selected in the list of available filters above. Next, we are going to create a filter using two subvariables. Before we do this, let's remove the current filter. We are going to use the controlled access variable for our next filter. Let's select it from the list of parameters we chose earlier. Notice how when we select a new variable, it changes our list of subvariables and changes the column graph. For our filter, we are going to use the on-ramp and off-ramp. Remember, to select two subvariables, hold down the Control key. Okay, now let's right-click the selected option to create our filter. So far, we've created two filters. The first filter was based on interstate crash data for the data set we have selected. The second filter was for on-ramp and off-ramp crash data. We can combine these two filters into one so that we can view on-ramp and off-ramp for interstates for the given data set. To combine the filters, go to the Filters button on the menu bar. Choose the option to combine filters. This opens the Combine Filters window. From the list on the left, find and select the filter you want to use. In the middle, you have a choice of operators. In the right side window, choose the second filter you want to include. We are going to use our interstate and on-off ramp filters. As you select your filters, the program automatically names the combined filter. You can change this if need be. This concludes the tutorial. I hope you learned some basics in building and combining filters. If you need further information regarding CARE or have any questions, please contact us at 1-866-349-CARE or email us at care@cs.ua.edu. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial.